Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the latest updates regarding Shopify development. Okay, before this video, we have seen that how orders works, what are drops, what are abandoned carts, and then we have seen that what options we do have in products, like how we can add products, how we can import product, how we can export product. And now we are going to show that what is inventory under the products in Shopify admin. So as you know that inventory is basically managed by Shopify. If you are doing drop shipping with different manufacturers like AliExpress, Alibaba, or any other manufacturer, then your inventory is basically managed by that app. So here in our case, we have some products in our store, and we are going to see that how the inventory is managed by Shopify if we have our own inventory. So where you can see that every product has some SKU, and then there is some incoming and then available. If you click on, you can see, like, by checking one product, you can click on your products in the inventory. We'll see that here you can make it increase or decrease the inventory. Right here you see, so we can make it 10 and available, then our inventory quantity will be updated. So this was only a brief video on what is inventory, how we can see the inventory. This option is also available in products section. Under the products, while adding the products, there is the option of enter quantity in the inventory. Okay, then we have transfers in the products. Like you can amend your incoming inventory. You can track and receive incoming inventory from your suppliers and business locations. Like here you can create a transfer, like by clicking on create transfer, you can see that you can transfer your inventory, like from origin. If you have multiple locations inside your store, like here we have one location, and then you have destination, that this you want to move one inventory from one location to another location. And for the products, you can also browse your products. Like here you see we have products in all the variants, because every variant has a quantity, that if it's black on white, then you can, here you can see that on this inventory has been already managed by Vello, so we can transfer it because it's already in the Vello system. So this was the main reason of transferring the inventory in the transfer section. And then we have collection section. In the next video, we will briefly look at this collection, that how collections are made, how we can create collections, how we can add manual collection, how we can create automatic collection, like what are the rule of tags in the creation of automatic collection in Shopify. And then we will see that what are gift cards in the next section in next video. So thank you for watching the video. If you have subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon. We are going to cover all the things available in Shopify admin and related to Shopify store development in our next upcoming videos in the same playlist you are in right now. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.